Hey, we're back. Okay, so in this lecture, we're going to start with the most basic question of them all. What is a computer? Okay, stay with me here. I know it can sound really simplistic, but trust me, it really actually matters because most people have way too narrow of an idea of what computers actually are. And if you want to learn more advanced concepts, you have to start with the correct way of thinking about technology. Okay, so most people, when they hear the word computer, they're going to think of a laptop or an iPad or some type of personal computer like a desktop. Some people, like your parents, when asked if a MacBook is a computer, would respond, no, it's a laptop. And that's fine, but it's really not just the thing you run Windows 8 or Mac OS X on. A computer is actually, it's literally anything that computes. It's a thing that can determine an amount or a number given certain rules. That is the dictionary definition of a computer straight out of Webster's. So yes, your MacBook laptop is a computer, but technically so is your calculator. Watches, wearables, cash registers, even that RFID badge you use to get in and out of work, those are all technically computers. Unless you're driving something from like the roaring 20s, your car engine probably has a computer that monitors its performance and makes whatever adjustments it thinks are necessary. If you want to get into the details of that one, it's actually called an engine control unit or an engine control module. And yes, it's responsible for that check engine light you really wish would just go away. Your brain technically is kind of like a computer too. Go ahead, add some numbers in your head. If it came out correct or slightly different, congratulations, you're a machine. Now, that's the absolute simplest way you can understand what a computer is, but a more practical way of understanding it is that it's any machine designed to solve problems.
And that's what I do, I solve problems.
Automatically. Computers will solve all of the problems within certain parameters that you give to them. They will solve a math problem, but they won't solve a problem like the SWAT team on your roof. To help stick this point kind of home, here's an actual true fact. Early on, before we even knew what a computer was as we commonly know it, the word computer was actually created to describe people. So people who solved mathematical problems. Technically, it was used in the military for artillery, and their job was as to, artillery to fire, constantly keep running numbers for the next round of artillery shells. Then humans figured out how to build machines to do all of that stuff for them in a way that was more truly automatic, and voila, we are now better at killing each other with large guns and also keeping records of how much cash we blow in the process. America. Okay, so do you see how the word computer is actually pretty massive in scope? And there are basically computers all around you, everywhere you go, waiting to download your soul so they can live forever and feel love. So that's it. A computer is something that takes instructions and can run a calculation to give you a solution. And understanding it like that, here are instructions, here is a process, and here is an output, is the first step in understanding what it is that programmers do. So to recap, computers, they're all around you, they solve problems, and also don't ignore that check engine light on your dash. All right, see you in the next lecture.